Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust a Nautilus bracelet. Before we begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a spring bar tool, a small screwdriver, and a soft cloth to protect your beautiful timepiece. Good lighting is also crucial to clearly see the small components and ensure a smooth adjustment process. Taking these initial steps will set you up for success and help prevent any accidental scratches or damage to your watch. Now, let's remove some links. Look closely at the inside of your Nautilus bracelet for small arrows. These arrows indicate the direction in which to push out the pins. Using your small screwdriver, gently push each pin out in the direction of the arrow. Remember to work slowly and carefully. Remove one or two links at a time, then reassemble to check the fit, ensuring you do not remove too many. Once you have adjusted the main links, it is time for fine-tuning. Many Nautilus clasps feature micro-adjustment holes, allowing for a more precise fit. Using your spring bar tool, carefully depress the spring bar and move it to a different hole within the clasp. There are often 3 or 4 positions available. Experiment with these subtle adjustments to find the perfect, most comfortable length for your wrist, ensuring a snug yet flexible feel. Finally, let's reassemble and check your work. Carefully reinsert the pins in the opposite direction from which you removed them, making sure they are flush with the link. Once all pins are secure, gently close the clasp and try on your watch. The bracelet should feel secure on your wrist, but not overly tight, allowing for a small amount of comfortable movement. Enjoy your perfectly adjusted Nautilus bracelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.